Welcome to today's section. My name is MARAM.GIRIDHAR and I am doing my BTech third year in Computer Science and Engineering. Today I am going to explain my second experiment in Unix lab, that is the conditional statements using shell script, greatest of three numbers. First one is greatest of three numbers. So for that we have to go to the code.coordinate.edu. For that is the server coordinates. Then we have to give VI editor. Using VI editor we have to create the experiment21.sh. So using shell script. So if we give VI space experiment2, then it will open. Then after that we have to type the code echo, enter the first number, then read A from the user. So like that we have to get the second number and third number also. And using conditional statement, if A is greater than B and A is greater than C, then it will print A number. If A is greater than all the numbers. Then if B is greater than A and B is greater than C, then it will print B is the greater number. Else if both the cases fails, then it will print C number is greater. So for that now we can see. So for running sh space experiment21.sh, so it is asking experiment enter the first number. So I am giving 40, then second number I am giving 20, then third number I am giving 50. So it is saying 50 is greater number. So using like that, then we can do. Then second experiment is student grade calculation. For student grade calculation we have to go to second experiment 22.sh. then it is asking echo enter the marks from the subject, from the user, read M1. so it is asking 5 subject marks and entering from the user. Then total is equal to echo $M1 plus $M2 plus $M3 plus $M4 plus $M5 using basic calculator. Then after that it is calculating average echo total by 5 divide using basic calculator. Then pipeline BC, that is basic calculator. Then I am using conditional statement if average is greater than 90 and average is less than 100, then it will print your score is O grade. If average is greater than 80 and less than 90, then it will print A grade. If average is greater than 70 and average is less than 80, then it will print score is B grade. So like that it will print all the grades. So now we can run and see the program. So for that we have to give experiment subject marks 20, then 30, 50, 60, 70, like that I given 5 marks. So you have scored F grade. So it is saying you are having less marks in everything. So finally electricity bill calculator. Then for that we have to go to experiment code 23.sh. then it is saying enter the month electric meter reading, then reading from the user, enter previous month's electric meter reading, read from the user. Then after that units minus $A minus $B, that is two data subtracting from the two data, then using basic calculator. Then it is giving total units will be printed. Then cost is equal to echo into 2 units into 20, then we are calculating using basic calculator. Then after that it will print the total cost. So for that we can run and see the program to 3.sh. So it is asking monthly reading. So for that I have to give 100. Then after that I given 70. Then it will print total units is used is 30. Then total cost is 600. So fourth one is find if alphabet is vowel or constant. So for that we have to go to fourth experiment. So in that enter the alphabet, then $A, then using case conditional statement we can do that consonant or vowels. So for that if AEIOU, A is an vowel, then $A is an read A from that. Then if case is A, then A is an vowel, then E is an vowel, then I is an vowel, O is an vowel, U is an vowel. Otherwise it will print remaining all cases. For that star we are using. By using default statement, now we can print remaining everything else is in a consonant. So I am closing the case statement. So now we can run and see the program. So for that running, So first we have to give sh space experiment name dot sh. So it is asking enter the alphabet. So I am giving A. A is a vowel. So if you want to see the consonant, I am giving T. Then it is printing consonant. So now we can print a palindrome number. So for that palindrome number, we have to go to the fifth experiment. So first we have to read the enter a number, read number. Then n1 is equal to $a, r is equal to 0. While using while statement, we are giving a is greater than 0. Do echo d is equal to echo of a percentage 10. Then it will divide the character into by 10 using basic calculator. Then after that dividing by 10 using basic calculator. Then r is equal to remainder, that is remainder star into 10 plus $d using basic calculator, done. Then I am closing do statement using done. If after that I am using if statement $r equal to $n1, then echo $n is a palindrome number, else it will print not a palindrome number f8. So now we can run and see the program. So for that we have to give sh space 25.sh. So it is asking enter a number 121. I am giving 121. So it is asking 121 is a palindrome number. So if you give 123, then it will say it is not a palindrome number. Thank you.